Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn anatomy for drawing digitally using an easy method. Start by simplifying the human form into basic geometric shapes like cylinders and spheres. This foundational approach helps you understand proportion and volume before adding intricate details. Regularly observe real-life references and anatomical diagrams to internalize structures. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your understanding and drawing accuracy over time. Understanding basic forms is crucial. Think of the torso as a box, limbs as cylinders, and joints as spheres. A common guideline for human proportion is that an adult figure is typically 7.5 to 8 heads tall. Begin your drawings with a simple skeletal structure to establish accurate placement and balance. This method provides a solid foundation, making it easier to build muscle and skin on top with confidence and precision. Once you grasp basic forms, focus on major muscle groups. You don't need to memorize every single muscle, but understanding key ones like the deltoids, pectorals, and biceps is vital. Pay attention to how these muscles attach to bones and how they create the visible bumps and curves on the body's surface. Practice drawing these groups from different angles and in dynamic poses to see their interplay and how they change with movement. Digital tools offer powerful advantages for learning anatomy. Use separate layers for your initial sketch, line art, and coloring, allowing for easy adjustments. A simple yet effective trick is to frequently flip your canvas horizontally. This helps you identify imbalances and mistakes you might otherwise miss. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to drawing, focusing on different body parts each session to reinforce your learning and improve your digital drawing skills.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.